Do you know what this is? Akidi with Achicha. You like it? Yes, you like it. I know you like it. I know you will like it. Welcome back, beautiful people. Today I have prepared a local delicious food. Akidi with Achicha. It is so very delicious, and of course it is easy to prepare. It is easy to make. Just look at this. The mere sight of this food will start giving you something that I will not call now. This is so very lovely, so very delicious. Oh my God. Akidi and Achicha. You like it, eh? I know you like it. So just leave a like. Click that like button. I know that you like it. Let me show you the ingredients and how to prepare this food. We have here achicha. Achicha is made from dried ede. That is cocoyam. Then we have akidi black beans. We have crayfish, pepper, onions, palm oil, and salt. This food doesn't need much ingredients. The star ingredients, the main ingredients are palm oil and onions. First, you have to pick the black beans to remove any sand or anything that you don't want to have in the food. You pick it very well and then cook. If you don't have a pressure pot, don't worry. It doesn't take much time to cook. It's not like FIO-FIO, okay? Then you cook it, you put it on fire to cook. And then the next step is the achicha. First, you add water. The first water you add, you can see there are some particles that are on top of the water. These are like dust. To show you that this achicha is fresh, it doesn't have any insects inside. That is what you are seeing. If it were to be that there are insects inside, the insects will come up, but there is no insect. There are no insects. So you drain the water the first time just to remove the dust, drain it again the second time, and then add water and let it sit. You allow it to sit so that it will rise. The achicha will rise. Remember, this is dried cocoyam. So when the achicha has risen, not that it has risen like our savior, but when it is softer, then you will now put it into a bag, a cellophane bag. In my place, we use banana leaves to wrap it. Then you will put it into the akidi, the black beans that is almost done. You see that the texture is softer, it's almost done. So you just put the cocoyam, that is the achicha. You put it there and allow it to heat. This is just for it to heat up, because the cocoyam, the process of making achicha is first you cook the cocoyam, then you dry it, so it is already cooked. What we are doing now is just to heat it up, okay? Next, we will drain the water from the black beans, the akidi. Remove the water, and we are now ready to mix the ingredients. Remember, I told you the major ingredients to cook this abacha. Oh God, this achichaandakidi. Palm oil and onions. So there is no amount of onions that you add that you say that it is too much. No. Onion, palm oil, they are the star ingredients. Okay, now you just fry the onions until they are soft. Don't let it dry, until they are soft and juicy, like yummy. Then you add salt. You add salt, and then add the crayfish and pepper. Okay, then turn it very well, because this is like the sauce. This is like the sauce that will bring every other things together. This is like the base. Okay, then when you have turned everything together, you'll now add the akidi and the achicha in whichever way you want to add it. If you want to add this one first, if you want to add the other one first, it doesn't matter. You just add both together and mix. When you have mixed everything, you just take for salt, and your akidi and achicha is ready. Oh God. What I'm showing you now is what we used to do back then at home. You will allow the achicha and akidi, you will allow it to stick to the pot, or like burn a little bit, so that when you are eating it, when you will eat the crunchiness from the burn side, and oh God, that is so delicious, so delicious. I am dishing for myself. If you like, you can come and take your own portion. I am not going to dish for you. Oh, this is lovely. I know you like it. You will like it. You gotta like it. So if you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more yummy dishes. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your likes and comments. And remember to stay hydrated. Bye.